Tired of your bug reports getting ignored? Learn the exact fields to fill so your ticket gets fixed fast. In this tutorial, I will show you the 10 steps to create a bug report in Jira, from opening your project all the way to hitting Create. So start with the first step. Open your Jira account. This is pretty simple. Just pull up your Jira workspace and make sure you are logged in. You want to be on the backlog or the board view of your project, whichever one you usually work from. This is your home base for everything we are about to do. Once you are logged in, click the Create button at the top. It's usually a big blue button right up in the navigation bar. Go ahead and click that. A new window or a dialog box is going to pop up. That is your ticket creation form. Now, select the project where the bug actually occurred. This is crucial. If you put a bug in the wrong project, it might never get seen by the right team. So look at the drop-down at the top of that new window. Choose the specific project or space that the bug belongs to. In my experience, getting this right from the start saves you and the developers a ton of back and forth later. Under Work Type, choose Bug. Jira usually defaults to something like Story or Task. You do not want that. You want to click on that drop-down and explicitly select Bug. This tells the system this is a defect, not new work. That changes how it gets prioritized and handled. Next, write a short summary that clearly describes the bug. And here is the really important part. Make it specific. Do not write something like, "The app is broken." Instead, write something like, "Login button unresponsive on the profile page for Safari users." That summary is the first thing a developer sees. It needs to tell them immediately what is wrong and where. Keep it short, but keep it packed with the important details. Now, add a detailed description. This is where you earn your keep. A bug report lives or dies on its description. Do not just say what happened. Say how to make it happen again. List the steps to reproduce. Step 1, go to the login page. Step 2, enter valid credentials. Step 3, click the login button. Then describe what actually happened versus what should have happened. Add any screenshots or error messages you have. The more context you give here, the faster the developer can find and fix the issue without having to come back and ask you questions. Choose the assignee. If you know exactly who on the team handles that part of the code, go ahead and assign them. If you are not sure, it is totally okay to leave it unassigned and let the project lead or a manager triage it. But if you do know, go ahead and set it. It puts the ticket right into their lap. Add labels for categorization. Labels are like tags. They help you and your team filter and find bugs later. Think of common terms like UI, backend, performance, or maybe the name of the feature. Do not overthink this. Just add one or two that seem obvious. It makes sorting through the project board way easier later on. Link the bug to a parent issue if applicable. This one is a bit more advanced, but it is super useful. If this bug is part of a larger feature or a bigger story, set a parent. This keeps everything organized. Developers can see the big picture and understand how this bug fits into the overall project without having to dig around. Finally, click Create to submit your bug report. That is it. Give it one last look. Make sure the summary and description are clear, and then hit that Create button. Your bug is now live, visible to the team, and ready to be picked up. So there you have it. 10 steps to go from a vague, ignored complaint to a clear, actionable bug report that actually gets fixed. Next time you find a bug, do not just send a quick message in chat. Use these steps. Your team will thank you, and your software will get better a whole lot faster.